You won't believe how maple syrup is made. Ever wondered how that sweet, golden maple syrup gets from tree to table? Today, I'm going to show you how to make your own maple syrup step by step. Grab your mug because this is easier and tastier than you think. First up, you need a maple tree. Sugar maples work best. Any maple will do. You're looking for a tree that's at least 12 inches wide. In early spring, when nights are still cold but days are warming up, grab a drill and make a small hole about 2 inches deep into the trunk, 3 feet off the ground. Next, tap the tree. Slide in a spile, metal spout. Slide in a spile, plastic spout. Hang a bucket on it. Hang a food-safe jug on it. Watch as sap starts to drip out. It's mostly water, but it has just enough sweetness to turn into maple syrup magic. Collect as much sap as you can, but don't overdo it. Leave plenty for the tree. Now, the fun part, boiling. You'll need a lot of sap, about 40 gallons to make 1 gallon of syrup. Pour your sap into a large pot and get it boiling outside over a fire. Pour your sap into a large pot and get it boiling on your stove. This takes time. As the water boils away, the sap thickens and gets sweeter. Keep an eye on it. This is where the magic happens. When it starts looking golden and thick, you're almost done. Aim for about 219 degrees Fahrenheit. That's roughly 7 degrees above boiling. Use a candy thermometer if you have one. Once it hits that temperature, filter your syrup through a cheesecloth to catch any bits. Then, pour it into sterilized jars while it's still hot. Let it cool. Ready for pancakes, ready for waffles, ready for just a spoon. A couple of quick tips. If your syrup's cloudy, don't worry, it's still delicious. Always refrigerate any syrup you're not using right away. Making maple syrup is a little adventure that connects you to nature, and honestly, the taste is unbeatable. Hit that like button. Subscribe for more tasty adventures. Share this video with your syrup-loving friends. Drop your maple questions in the comments below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching and happy sugaring. Like, subscribe, and share.